Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Now this year, if you made a resolution to eat clean, this recipe is for you. It's juicy and flavorful grilled chicken recipe. You can grill it on the outside grill, bake it, or even grill it on just a regular pan. Need very minimal ingredients, and I'm serving some side of grilled veggies as well. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First we'll make our marinade. For that I'm taking a measuring cup, adding olive oil. Now I'll add some salt, black pepper powder, add smoked paprika. Now this will not add any heat, but it will add that distinct flavor. For heat I'm adding red chili powder and grounded cumin. Now I'll add some chopped onions. I have some minced garlic and chopped parsley. If you don't have parsley, just add cilantro or dhania as well. And then I'll add some apple juice. Now you can substitute it with apple cider, but please don't add apple cider vinegar. Apple juice will add that distinct flavor and add some acidity to our chicken. Taking a large Ziploc bag and adding washed chicken pieces. Today I'm using leg quarters, but you can use whole chicken as well, and you can use chicken with the skin as well. Add this marinade in a Ziploc bag, seal it very tightly, and let's start mixing until all the chicken pieces are covered with this marinade. Now we'll put this in the fridge to marinate minimum 1 hour or preferably overnight, but don't leave it for more than 2 days because onions and all the veggies will start going bad and your chicken will not taste good. Bring it out from the fridge and leave it on the counter until it comes to the room temperature. Now it's time to grill. You have a couple of options. You can grill it on the regular outside grill, or you can grill it on a regular grill pan like I'm doing here, and then just cook until it's completely done. Or you can just grill it on a high flame until it gets nice grill marks on it, and then transfer it onto a baking tray and put it in the oven until chicken will completely tender. Or if you want, you can completely bake this chicken in the oven. In the end, just start the broiler so chicken will get nice golden color and cook until chicken is completely tender. Now we quickly go and grill our veggies. I have cubed potatoes. I'm adding in a fry pan with some chopped onions, salt and black pepper powder. You can add some garlic powder as well. It will taste very good. Start cooking on a high flame until onions are caramelized and potatoes get nice charred color. Then adding little bit of water and cover and cook until potatoes are completely tender. Doing the same with the frozen veggies, adding in a pan with this spray of some oil, salt and pepper, and just cook until they are tender. And I'm serving all these veggies with this grilled chicken, which is juicy, flavorful, and need very few ingredients, which should be in your pantry right now. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.